My name is Sean Aldrich. I've been with the company for almost 23 years, and in that time I've served a bunch of different roles in product development, engineering manager, product development manager. Now my current position is Vice President of Quality, and I oversee our quality department, our manufacturing engineering group, our test engineering group, process engineering, and automation. So what we had with the 6000 was a really great platform where we had a quiet, high-performing unit, but we wanted to get more performance out of it. So we added a larger compressor, modified the refrigerant charge, and we were able to pull another 20–25% water removal performance at 80–60 by making those changes. And what that gains us is a unit that performs like other 125 pint units, but it's much more quiet and smaller, more easily portable in and out of trucks and vans, up and down stairs. And it's on a platform that has been proven in the 6000 for, what, 4 years now? So it's really been a good product for us. Visually from the outside, the main difference is the label right here. Internally, we have a different control package so that we control this unit precisely to achieve the water removal optimization that we look for on all of our Dehus. But the firmware that's on the 6500 is developed just for its performance in drawing out a structure.